Turning to weather now, and snow is slamming the Northwest and other parts of the West Coast. An Arctic blast bringing snow to parts of Oregon. More than 2,500 Pacific Power customers experiencing unplanned outages across the state. Portland General Electric was not experiencing as many outages this morning. And parts of California got a white Christmas after all, with snow pounding mountains across the state. NewsNation's Aiton Wallace shows us the whiteout condition in the Sierra Nevadas.
The snow falling and sticking to the roadways in our local mountains. During the day, this is what it looked like along I-80 in Truckee, nearly whiteout conditions.
Those conditions leading Caltrans to close both directions of I-80 between here and Colfax all the way to the Nevada state line. And as you can see, that has led to all of these cars just waiting for the interstate to reopen.
We get here, they say, oh no, you're not going today. So oh, that sucks.
Antoinette Stewart was hoping to take her 5 children up the mountain to play in the snow, but due to closures and dangerous conditions, her Christmas plans quickly unraveled.
We have to turn around. All roads is closed.
Closed except for those who live in mountain communities. As for others waiting it out, this woman from the Bay Area summed up her disappointments.
Oh well, not the Christmas we wanted.
Caltrans acknowledges closures can be frustrating, but officials stress public safety is the priority.
Expect some delays, have some patience, and keep up to date on what's going on. And when the weather is really fierce, try to avoid traveling during those conditions and try going the next day, because we don't want anyone to get stuck out there.
That includes the lower elevations where rain becomes a concern.
Watch out for heavy water in the side and give a distance.
You just got to drive slow and drive safe. Yeah.
That is exactly what Stewart plans to do. While she and her children are changing their Christmas plans, they are not cutting their Christmas cheer.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Keeping the holiday spirit alive while staying safe on the road. In Colfax, Aiton Wallace.
Thanks for watching. Click the red subscribe button below so you can get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.